Hello. Today we will explore what Abstract is and how to create a wallet to interact with the platform. Abstract Chain is a blockchain built on the ZK stack and EigenDA, designed for the new generation of users and on-chain creativity. The project is developed by the Pudgy Penguins team, making it especially exciting for the Web3 community. Today we will go over how to create an Abstract wallet and fund it to start using the platform. To begin, we need to create an EVM wallet or a Solana wallet. In this guide, we will choose the EVM wallet, Rabby wallet. However, you can also create a profile using an email. Connect the wallet to the website abs.xyz. Create a profile, then select Fund and choose a funding method. I will select Bridge, the CEX jumper. Choose the network you will deposit from. In this example, we will use the base network and send ETH to the Abstract network. Copy the address from your profile, paste it into the transfer field, and sign the transaction. Send the funds. Done. That's it. The funds have arrived, and now you can start engaging with the project. Give a like if this video helped you, and comment on which project in Abstract you'd like a guide on next. All links to the top project will be provided below this video. Don't miss out.